if you're interested in the history of physics. Hit the little blurb above. Today, let's talk about the coding of life. Deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA for short. That's quite a doozy to say, but deoxyribonucleic acid is actually why your nose is really big, or why you got 6 fingers, or why you're more susceptible to diabetes in the future. And thymine, guanine, and cytosine. 3 billion of those composed up together to identify who you are. These bases are stringed together billions on each side of a double helix. Humans have 46 chromosomes, which are like X-shaped, organized. It's not arranged in such a way that the more chromosomes you have, the more complex you are. We have 46 chromosomes, whereas ferns have 94 chromosomes. Whereas corns have 59,000 genes, we only have 27,000 genes. More genes does not mean more complicated. Or complicated. No. Or maybe corns are more complicated than we are, and we just don't know it yet. In 2003, the multi-billion-dollar Human Genome Project was initiated by our government. The project will attempt to find purpose in all of the 27,000 genes that we have. It tries to figure out which genes makes your nose big, which genes gives you 6 fingers, which genes makes you more susceptible to diabetes. We'll try to sequence the adenosine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Because genes control so much of our life, we experimented with genes. Whether it is animal clones such as Dolly, but there are moral implications because so much of the cloning ends up genetically inept to do things like sick and mutated. Many of the foods we eat now are actually genetically modified. In fact, 75% of all synthesized foods are genetically modified. So we can see whether we want it to or not, DNA plays a huge part of our lives. Whether it is giving us our characteristic or the traits of our food. It is ubiquitous and therefore essential to all aspects of life. Well, that's it for this video on DNA. I really hope you enjoyed it and got something from that video. So subscribe and like this video because I'm sure you like this video.